Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix broken packages in Ubuntu. We have 7 simple steps that can help you to solve this problem. In the end of the video, I'm going to give you all the useful commands that are using in this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, we're going to find out the problem. You can see if you try to install any of apps like sudo apt install VLC and it's showing you unable to correct problems, you have held broken packages. If you're getting broken packages, then simply check the broken packages. For that, what we can do, we will going to find out what is broken. Let's type sudo apt space dash dash fix dash broken space dash install. It will going to check the broken packages. If it find it, then you can simply update your package list. You have to type sudo apt update and package list update successfully. Then we're going to fix the broken packages. Now we get our broken packages. So for that, we can simply type sudo space apt space dash dash fix dash broken space install, and it will going to fix all the broken packages. And now we need to clean the system. For that, we have to type sudo apt auto remove, and it will going to auto remove or clean up your Ubuntu disk. After, we have to upgrade your system. For that, we have to type sudo apt upgrade, and then there will be something you will going to get. You can see, do you want to continue? You have to type sometimes y, and after finishing it, your system is up to date. And the last one, the app you try to install, now type sudo apt and install VLC, and this time you see if there is any error comes in, and the package will be successfully installed. And as I promise you, these are the useful commands that I used in this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.